Today we are going to make disk from this fixture assembly. See, this is the disk. Now let's make it. Select plane and now let's start. For that, first we need to make two circles of diameter 2 and of diameter 1. So let's make it. Make two circles. From constant option you can give diameter to circle. This one is 1 and the dimension for this circle is 2. Now our next step is we have to make these cuts to the disk. Now let's start it. First we have to make circle here of radius 0.13. So let's make it. Take circle command on the center plane, make circle and give it dimensions as 0.13. Its diameter we have to give radius. You can change from here, and the given radius is 0.13. Now the given distance from the center axis to the center of circle is 0.813. So after going on constraints, select center and this center and give dimensions 0.825. Okay. After clicking on OK, select profile and from this center go up and make one straight line. Now this is your straight line. Again select this and do mirror against this plane, this axis actually. It's looking in white color. Why this is so? Because it's in white color because we didn't give it dimensions, so it's in green color, but it's okay. Now go on trim this, again trim this part also. See, now select this and select this and do mirror of this option, do mirror of this profile. Now again we have to make same profile here and here also, so I'm making it. I'm going to make it now. Given distance is 0.825. I'm doing mirror against this. Now again take trim to trim this and this. Now our end plate is almost ready. See, our sketch is as same as this. And now after extruding command, after clicking on pad command, you have to give thickness of 0.125. No, it's taken by mistakenly. Exit to workbench and then pad command, and first you have to select mirror extend, then here is 0.125, divided by 2 because we are doing divided by 2 because you are taking mirror extent. So if you didn't take mirror extent, then you have to only write 0.125. Okay, our disk is ready.